Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can pop out your image from a circle using your coreldraw techniques. And if you are very new to this channel, before I dive into the tutorial, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Corel tutorial, you get notified. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can pop out your image from a circle using coreldraw. So let's begin. So I'm going to increase the size of this image right here. First thing first, you need to make sure that your image it has no background. So you can see this image here is PNG format. So if you don't know how to remove the background of any image, you can check the video on my channel. I have a lot of video on how you can remove your image background in coreldraw. So once you are able to remove your background image, you have to go to your shape tools right here. When you select your shape tools, so you can see, so you have to drag all over down, then you use your arrow key just to adjust this way. Okay, so you have to do same from the side. Boom. Then you press spacebar on your keyboard so we can increase the size of this image. This depends on how you want your image to pump out from the circle. Now once you have stuff like this, so the next thing you have to do is to go to your circle. Now select your circle. So you select your circle, then you have to click and hold down to create a perfect circle. Make sure you press down control key so you have a perfect circle. So once you have a perfect circle, you can fill it with color of your choice. So let's say I'm trying to fill this with orange. With yellow, right? So you can make sure you can remove stroke color, give it non-color, just like that. Then one more thing here is that you can try to create a page border for this particular stuff we are trying to do. For you to do that, just have to press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. Then you can make it in a separate space like this. You can also adjust the circle, or shift key and select the second circle. You can make sure you adjust the circle. The circle needs to be based on your image size. Now we can press the circle now and press P to centralize. Now we need this image to be at the pop out of this particular circle. So you have to right click on the image, go to order and front of the page. Now you can see that we have a lot of things to do as far as this image is concerned. We still have to make it more big, just like this. I think this is more preferable as far as this is concerned. And then we can also increase the circle size also. So let's take a look at, if we increase the circle size, we have something like this. Ctrl D, then P to centralize. Then we have to select the image now, P also to centralize. So you can use your downward arrow key to take the picture down a little bit so that you can see what is going on and where exactly you want your stuff to be. Okay, so with this, I think I'm good to go. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure you make a copy of this particular image. Okay, so for you to do that, you have to go to your edit and then make sure you click on copy, edit, make sure you click on copy, or you make sure you press Ctrl Z on your keyboard. So once you copy, there's no need for you to paste it yet. So you have to take the picture for one side like this. So next thing you have to do is to go to object. So you go to object, go to power clip, and make sure you select place inside frame. Okay, so with that you can power clip the image in the circle. So for you to edit the power clip, you have to come here, click on edit. Now we can just press Ctrl key down and drag this image to the center of the circle, so you can easily adjust it based on your stuff. So once you're able to get to this point, you have to come here and make sure you click finished. Now we have everything power clip in the circle, and but this is not exactly what we need. So we have to continue working on this stuff right here. Press P to centralize. That has been centralized. Then we have to select this now and press P to centralize also. And then we have to press Control Page Up to make it to the top of the page. Next thing you have to do is to make sure you unfill this particular circle. For you to do that, you have to come down here, make sure you click on this. Then once you are able to click on that, then you have to make it a stroke. So let's put it in 4, and let's see, 4. I think 4 is a little bit small. Let's make it 12. It's a little bit small. Let's make it 16. Now we are able to make it to 16. Then Shift key and drag it in a little bit. We just need the circle to be around the stop. Then we can come to the color here and right click on the color just to apply stroke color to this particular stuff. Next thing you will have to do here is to press Ctrl V, or we go to our edit panel here. We go to edit and make sure we paste the image we copy earlier. Now you have it right here. Now the next thing you have to do right here is to make sure that all these places here have been cut off from this particular image. You can press Ctrl- to zoom in. Now for you to do that, you have to go back to your shape tools and make sure you select this and take it to the top. Okay, Control plus to zoom out. Control plus to zoom out. So H just to bring out your hand tools. So we can go back to our shape tools again and select the bottom, and then we have to take it into this circle. You have to continue to doing it until you are able to get to the right point. So you can keep on adjusting. Then you have to select this area also and then adjust it. And so we can select the circle now. So when you select the circle, you have to go to Object and then make sure you convert outline to object. So we can just select our rectangle now, and right here we can select this place and then select this, press Shift key and select the circle, and make sure you look for trim. Boom. So we can easily delete this away. Then we can press Ctrl- to zoom in, and now we can select all the image and press Ctrl-J to group. So we can resize the image based on our choice. We can resize the image more and more. Then we can press P to centralize it. We can resize the image more and more, and we have it pump out from the circle. Then we can press P to centralize. Now we can easily press Ctrl V to bring out the original image. So right here, you guys can see that we are able to make this image pump out from the circle, and we are able to fill the background color with another color of our choice. So this is how you can pop out your image from a circle using your coreldraw technique. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more trick in coreldraw like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.